If you use a debit or a credit card at gas stations, you must watch out for these new scams.
Fraud detectives often say that tap to pay is the best way to avoid skimmers, but criminals are getting their hands on more advanced technology, allowing them access to your money without ever touching your cards, your wallet, or your phone.
Scammers are now targeting gas stations for victims to drain their bank accounts.
I just pulled this. I think it's a scammer off that, but it's too late. I already used it. I'm at the Bucky's in Enos.
Tonight, a scary warning about ghost charges that could appear on your credit card or your bank accounts.
That's right. So the Better Business Bureau says that one victim charged $15,000.
Now, scammers are using two tactics in order to scam victims at gas stations. And in this video, I'm going to break down these two scams and what you need to do so you can protect yourself from them draining your accounts.
Police want you to be on the lookout of a new scam you could see at your local gas station.
I News reporter Brianna Fernandez is live in Denver. Brianna, what exactly should people be on the lookout for at the gas station?
So it is a simple, tiny hole that you probably won't even notice that it's there. So police say what scammers are doing now is that they're drilling a hole to the sensor where you tap your card to pay. So scammers are getting very creative. So let me show you. Come take a look at your screen. This is what police say that you should be on the lookout for. Aurora police say that damaging the tap to pay option forces you to swipe or insert your card instead.
Now, these scammers actually insert a skimmer. A skimmer actually reads your card information and can collect your password for that card, especially if it's a debit card. But if it's a credit card, they can get your credit card information. Now, by that tabless device not working and you insert your card, this allows them to gather your card information. And if it's a debit card, they then can empty out your bank account. Now, if it's a credit card, then they can rack up a ton of charges and get the money from you that way, but you are stuck holding the bill.
But those options can be bugged with a skimmer. So police say thieves are now able to plant skimmers quickly, sometimes in as little as 12 seconds, and you won't even know it's there. So the good news is the Aurora Police Department and several other agencies that I asked, Boulder, Arapahoe, and the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, they haven't dealt with something like this so far, but they say it's only a matter of time.
Whenever you come up with something to help protect people, like contactless payments, that's what they're designed for. The bad guys will come up with some way to defeat it. This one happens to be a very simple way. Just drill a hole in it and they've got you going to the swipe.
So simple. It literally takes 12 seconds. So I did ask the detective if he's seen something like this scam in other states. And he says that the only scam that he knows about something similar to this happened in California. So again, he wants you guys to be aware. So if you do come to the gas station, you see a little hole in that sensor, you're asked to call 911 and of course, let the gas station know so they can shut that gas pump immediately. And another good tip is don't pay with your debit card.
And as the officer said, tap to pay was designed to prevent frauding. But unfortunately, this isn't the only tactic that they're using with the skimmers and a workaround. They have another tactic that they're using at gas stations to target you to drain your accounts.
Fraud detectives often say that tap to pay is the best way to avoid skimmers, but criminals are getting their hands on more advanced technology, allowing them access to your money without ever touching your cards, your wallet, or your phone.
It's called ghost tapping. It takes advantage of the tap-to-pay model, which uses near-field communication, allowing devices to exchange data at close range. Criminals are using wireless devices as you're shopping near your phone or cards in places like crowded streets, buses, or a checkout line. The Better Business Bureau says they're seeing an uptick in these ghost tapping reports.
Now, worse than skimmers, now these scammers are using ghost tapping. Now they're using devices in order to actually pick up your card information even without you using it. So by them just going around a crowd, they can pick up a number of people information and your card haven't even left your wallet. And with this phenomenon, you have to be very careful, especially during the holidays when many people are in the holiday rush in malls, outlets, shopping, because those places are prime targets, just like gas stations. So these scammers are getting more and more advanced. But here's some ways where you can protect yourself.
Here's some tips to protect yourself. First, you can invest in an RFID wallet. That's radio frequency identification. This sleeve fits right on your phone and protects any electromagnetic fields from reaching your phone or your cards.
Always confirm payment details. Make sure before you tap your card or phone that the merchant's name and amount are right. Set up transaction alerts on your phone to get real-time notifications for every charge so you can spot and stop any fraud immediately. And take a look at the safety settings on your phone. If you own an iPhone, for example, consider opting out of using Express Transit Card, which allows the use of a card without your passcode or Face ID.
And it is the season of giving, but be wary of any solicitors asking for donations with tap to pay. I'm Anastasia Olmos. Atlanta News First investigates.
Now, some additional protection with my elite credit system, we use Smart Credit, and Smart Credit has fraud protection up to $1 million. And they also cover your household members along with a feature called Money Manager. And Money Manager actually give you alerts for your bank accounts for any suspicious activity that you connect. And with my elite credit system, we have users like Greg, who was able to remove a collection within 12 days. If you need my help with my AI software and my credit coaching to improve your credit score, you can sign up with the link in the description and in the pinned comment section. And if you go to my website, we give you this free heart inquiry removal package and you can download it for free. And some other ways you need to protect yourself: make sure you don't keep all your money in one account, just in case that account is compromised. Then these scammers cannot drain your bank accounts. When you are at these gas stations or buying things, a lot of the time, a safer way is to use credit cards because those transactions are not instant. It takes a while for the merchant to process that payment versus with your debit card. When that money comes out, it is gone. So you want to be careful of that. Make sure too, when you go to gas stations or even your local 7-Elevens, anywhere, pull at that device. Make sure that it's not skimmers attached to that card reader. Check for a lot of suspicious activity. If you see someone before you pull up is tampering with that card reader, just keep your eyes open. And if it's anything suspicious at that pump, don't use it. And you can also notify any gas agent that's on site and let them additionally check that pump so you can actually help those around you from their bank accounts being drained. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have questions, you can leave it in the comments section, but more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.